Ndewonu, it's your girl at Wada Canada again. Your simple and friendly space to learn, enjoy, and reconnect with the beauty of the Igbo language and culture. Have you ever heard an older Igbo person mention an item in the home and wondered what it meant? Many traditional Igbo household words are gradually fading from everyday use. Yet, they remain an important part of our language and heritage. In part 1, we learned traditional Igbo words for kitchen utensils and cooking items. Today, let's explore some traditional Igbo household items and home objects. Let's jump into it. Obi, hot. Ọkụ oriọna, lamp. Nkata ibu, carrying basket. Ute akpa, local mat. Igbe, box. Efere osisi, wooden tray. Mkpala, walking stick. Let's go again. Obi, hot. Ọkụ oriọna, lamp. Nkata ibu, carrying basket. Ute akpa, local mat. Igbe, box. Efere osisi, wooden tray. Mkpala, walking stick. Which of these words have you heard before? And which ones are completely new to you? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe, like, and share this post with family and friends. Follow Wada Canada for more traditional Igbo words as we continue learning. Ndewo.